Hey everyone, welcome back to Fake Boujie. Today I will be using this Creme of Nature box dye to bleach my hair blonde. This is version 4B natural hair. Very, very thick, very beautiful hair, and I'm gonna bleach it. I can't wait for you all to watch. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so I will be dyeing my hair using Creme of Nature. I got their C43 Lightest Blonde. I went ahead and got 4 boxes of it because my hair is natural. It's really thick. So inside the container, you get this mango and shea butter conditioner. You also get this high lift booster blonding powder. And then they have their own little developer cream, I guess. Yeah, oh, that's the color. And then the developer cream is right here. I think theirs is like volume 20 or something. So I grabbed some L'Oreal color volume 40 to go with it just to make it quicker. So grab this Creme of Nature just to go along with their product line. Moisturizing shampoo for damaged or color treated hair. This Creme of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment, as well as the Shimmer Lights shampoo to help with making sure the color is like vibrant and the color is actually supposed to be. I also got this Creme of Nature Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. It is a misting conditioner. I decided to color treat my hair just because I'm just at a stage in my natural journey where I want to start wearing my coils out. I want to wear my natural hair, and I just feel like lighter hair, just the blonde, will make my coils pop more. And so I will be incorporating the shampoo and conditioner into my hair care routine since it will be color treated now. Although I am bleaching it, I still overall just want my hair to be as healthy as possible. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, grab your own gloves. I hate the ones that come with the box dye. So to get started, I had previously washed my hair and blow dried it just because I had taken down some passion twists. But I will say, please do it the night before. When your hair has been washed and you blow dry it, it's very porous, so it makes it easier for the color to get in. So I really didn't need to use the 40 developer. I was really scared to do this. I don't know what ended up making me do it, but yeah, I used to dye my hair. I used to actually use box dye all the time when I was in high school, like all the time, and it always turned out perfectly. But this time I was just nervous. Like, I don't know, I guess because my hair was virgin. In high school, it was relaxed. And I had had color before, like different colors. But since I went natural, I've never dyed my hair, never really did anything to it. I barely even flat iron it. So, and even now, as you can see, like using the 40 developer and the fact that I blow dried it, I barely made it through the first section and you can already see the color lifting. So as I said, don't make the mistake I did and blow dry your hair a couple hours before you add color to it, and also, well, bleach it really, because that's what you're doing. And also, I didn't need the 40 developer. I really didn't. In hindsight, I'll say I wish I would have put that on my ends and then just used the regular developer through the rest of my hair. So at this point, I noticed that my ends weren't changing colors quickly as my roots and the shafts of my hair. So I went back in and really made sure that I was fully saturating it. At this point, I didn't understand what was going on and why my ends weren't changing as quickly as the rest of my hair, even though I know that I put just as much, if not more, on my ends. So I went ahead and just started rinsing some of the bleach off of my roots. I didn't want them to get too damaged just from me trying to leave the bleach on my hair in an attempt to get my ends to process the same color. Like, oh, it was annoying. You can start to see the color. It is looking very ombre-ish. So I went ahead and put the conditioner in, put a cap on, and just let it sit, I believe, for about like 30-45 minutes. I didn't do a steam treatment just because my pores are already way too open. So I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner, and this is what it looks like. I'm now about to go in and blow dry my hair again. Like I said, it does look very ombre-ish. It looks like I've covered everything, but not as evenly as I wanted it to. The hair is not blonde. It's actually like a yellow, kind of auburn-ish. I don't really know what's going on. I don't want to over process my hair. So whatever this turns out to be is just what it's going to be. Right now I'm putting leave-in conditioner and some oil in my hair. I'm also going to go in with some heat protectant and just go ahead and blow dry and then flat iron. Okay, so this is my result. I forgot that I used to dye my hair black, jet black, or I would use darkest brown. And so, like, as I was coloring it, I kept wondering, like, why is all of my hair changing colors so quickly except my ends? Like, what the hell is going on? And it took me to be on the phone with my sister, and my sister reminded me, and I was like, oh my God, you're right. I did used to dye my hair. So this is the result of that. I will go back in and touch it up. But I would just say as a tip, do your ends first, like work it through your ends and then work your way to your roots. I am glad that I saved my roots for last. I think it came out to be like an ombre looking color. It's not bad, it's just, I mean, I didn't want it even, but I also didn't want my ends to be a different color than the rest of my hair. But it does still feel healthy and amazing, and I do still love it. And I will be flat ironing it.